Autumn is such a beautiful time of the year, and this golden yellow kimono feels like it was made for the season. This kimono is soft, lightweight, and has a warm, cheerful feel that makes it a lovely piece for practicing kitsuke. I'm learning the classic and formal obi style called Nijūdaiko, and I've been following along with some great kitsuke videos online. Come along for my kitsuke practice and enjoy the beautiful fall colors. In my last video, I unboxed a bundle of silk kimono from Japan, including this one. If you missed it, I'll link it in the description. And if you're curious about finding pre-worn kimono in new condition, my How to Buy Kimono Online video is linked there as well. One thing that keeps surprising me is how many different approaches there are to kitsuke. Some teachers are structured and traditional, while others are relaxed and easygoing. I tend to lean toward a more casual approach, focusing on simply enjoying the process without getting too caught up in the details or taking it too seriously. At the same time, I really appreciate the depth of knowledge that comes from traditional lineages and their foundational approach to kitsuke. What have you discovered in your own kitsuke journey? This fall, I went on a few solo camping trips to enjoy the cooler weather and fewer bugs. I always find it so nourishing and healing to be out in nature. I especially enjoy going on these trips alone to slow down, reflect, and realign. I say solo camping, but my little one loves these adventures, so she usually comes with me. What about you? Have you had a chance to spend some quality time outdoors this season? Nijūdaiko is the obi style often used for Fukuro Obi, for more formal kitsuke. It's basically a double-layer version of the classic Taiko Musubi. At first, Nijūdaiko looked intimidating, but once I saw how the steps fit together, it felt surprisingly doable. For me, the biggest challenge is keeping the layers aligned and the proportions balanced. It's so satisfying when the shapes finally come together. I really like how this obi looks with the kimono. The contrast between the linear pattern on the kimono and the organic shapes on the obi works beautifully. The peach Obi-jime pairs nicely with the obi as well. I'm not sure the Obi-age color is the best match for this coordination, but it was the closest option I had on hand. I think finding an Obi-age that picks up the bluish green color from the obi would look striking. Something to look for in the next bundle of Obi-age I might get. I'm also realizing I need more variety in my Nagajuban colors. This pink wasn't the best match for the yellow kimono. Maybe darker tones like navy blue would work better? Now that the nights are getting colder and we've even had a bit of snow, I'm easing into winter hibernation mode. I've upcycled a few beautiful obi into bags recently, and I'll be sharing the process of making them soon, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I hope the fall colors and moments of Kitsuke brought you a bit of calm and pause in your day. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. I truly love hearing about your kimono journey. Wishing you a peaceful day or evening wherever you are in the world. I'll see you in the next video.